Hello, welcome everyone. This is Ajay Kumar Chilavancha, and in this video I am going to explain you about the pocket tool in sketch-based tools. Okay, let's have a quick recap on what we have learned earlier videos. The sketch tool we have learned about briefly, all sketch tools, and a sketch-based feature explanation on the names and uses. Okay, now I'm going to explain you about pocket tool. Okay, the pocket is just the opposite of a pad tool, and then similar to the pad, we have the names of a pocket as a pocket and drafted fillet pocket and multi pocket. This naming is due to just opposite. Like a pad will give the material extrusion, okay, and the pocket will give cut along the pad. So I will explain you about a pocket. Pocket is a tool which is used to cut the 2D sketch on a 3D object. Okay, as I have explained, on a 3D object face, one of the face, we will draw 2D sketch. The sketch is referring to the cut. Okay. If you want a circular cut along the object, okay, then we will draw circle on the face of a 3D object. Okay. And then drafted filleted pocket. As drafted fillet pad is there, similar to that, we are having drafted fillet pocket. This drafted fillet pocket will give cut along the 3D object by using drafting angle. Okay, and a multi pocket. Multi pocket is just we will give a 2 or 3 pockets at a time. If you are having some 4 sketches, if you are having any sketch containing 2 or 3 elements or a 2 or 3 2D sketches, so that sketches you want to cut in a different direction or else with a different depth, we can give that. Okay, let's move on to the software, and there we will explain better. Here I opened my software Catia V5, and I'm going to start mechanical designing, part design, and then I will give OK, and then my work window has opened. Okay, in this I will go to a sketch and I will draw a simple sketch. Okay, I have given one square which is already constrained, and then I am going for exit, and for this rectangle I am going to give a pad, okay, which I have already covered. Okay, and then I am going to give some 100 height. Okay, this is my pad. Okay, you can able to see, right? And then on the face of the pad I am going for again sketch. Let me make it normal and move to the middle. Then here I want to draw another square which is we will cut. Okay, and now we will use the pocket tool is just beside the pad tool, and then I have separated the pocket tool and kept here for easy understanding. And then first I am going to use simple pocket. Okay, simple pocket I have given, and the height we will give as some our required height, some 20 I will give. So I have a cut based on our sketch, and by using our length which we have given. On the same face I am going for another sketch. It's like elliptical sketch. This is my elliptical sketch, and for this sketch I'm going to give drafted filleted. Okay, for drafted fillet we can use the limit as a this top face, and then the length, the depth will give as a some 10 only required, and then I required some heavy angle 60, let's consider, and then give OK. Here is our drafted filleted pocket. Okay, you can able to see we have given. If you want to reduce the angle, you can reduce the angle to 20 also, then it will be like this. Okay, I have given drafted and filleted. it will use draft, and then it will use fillet for the edges, sharp edges. Okay. Next on another face, I will draw some other sketches. I will make it to middle. Then I have square over here, and I have a circle over here. Okay. And for this, for at a square, I required 40 cut, 40 depth cut, and for a circle I required only 20 depth cut, 20 depth cut. So I am giving multi-pad. I am selecting one. You can select. You can see the color change over. If you are selecting one extrusion, one color will be there, and whatever the blue is there, that one we have selecting. Okay. So dimension will give us some 40 I required at that edge, and 20 I required at this edge, like this. Okay. You can see this have cut throughout here up to 40 and this have cut only 20 Like this we are going to use pocket. Here I all return to our presentation, and this is our pocket tool, and keep practicing. We'll meet you in next video.